Hi, my name is Megone Trewick, lead estate planning and probate attorney here at the law office of Brian Fagan. Today, we will talk about obtaining guardianship over a minor child in Texas. Whenever you have to seek guardianship over a child, it's never a good thing. It's usually because a parent or both parents have passed away. And in this situation, you're entering the space of mourning, but of also acknowledging that there's a child that must be taken care of. And then you have to spring into action in order to do that. Here at the law office of Brian Fagan, we are committed to help families and to help children find a place of belonging, love, tenderness, and care. In order to obtain a guardianship, first, you have to ensure that that person seeking the guardianship actually has the right to seek that guardianship. Within Texas's Estates Code, there is a hierarchy of people who can seek guardianship over a minor child. Therefore, they'll first look to the family before they'll look to friends and outsiders. Most importantly, the person seeking guardianship of a minor child cannot have a felony. It doesn't matter if it's grandpa or grandma, grandpa or grandma, aunt, uncles, sisters. If you have a felony, unfortunately, you may love that child more than the other person will, but you will not qualify. So how exactly do you seek guardianship over a child? First of all, you have to see if a guardianship is appropriate. A guardianship is appropriate where both parents are out of the picture. If one parent passed away and the other one was never in the child's life, and even more importantly, doesn't even sign an AOP acknowledging paternity or is not on the birth certificate, never established any visitation rights or anything, and is totally outside the picture. In fact, you don't even have any idea where that missing parent is. In that case, a guardianship is appropriate. A guardianship is therefore appropriate if both parents passed away before the minor reaches 18. Again, a guardianship would be appropriate in that case. However, if you have a situation where only one parent passes away and the other parent is alive, the other parent can be ascertained, you know where that parent is, and that parent is willing to step up, then a SAPSR, a suit affecting parent-child relationship, is appropriate and a guardianship should not be sought. So you have the guardian, the proposed guardian, file the application with the court. They need witnesses to testify that the guardianship is in the child's best interest. You provide documentation that that parent has passed away, and then you take your guardianship course, showing the court that you qualify. Your background check, your criminal background check shows that you have no felony. The attorney ad litem goes out, the court investigator goes out and visits with the child and realize that this guardianship is the best thing for this child. In that case, congratulations, you can obtain guardianship over that child. If you want to talk more about this, please visit us at www.brianfagan.com. You can also call us 281-810-9760. Please subscribe and like us on Facebook. Thank you.